because the phone just stopped. So yeah, here is about the reverse camera. You can see how clear, how clean it is. It is 7:30, almost 8 p.m. here, and it's starting to be dark outside. Not very dark, but it's starting, and you can still see how clear it is. You definitely can count the thing on the ground behind. Okay, you can definitely count it. That, you know, the detail of the objects over there. That car is very far from the neighbor's thing, and yeah, that's how our camera is working, and it's super detailed. If you can see this, okay, and that is the turbo from the Ute. Okay, so thanks again for watching, and yeah, we're looking to see you on the next one.